but it seems like most of the people are gone. That's the setup I want. Looks good. Welcome back to another video, guys. Hope you guys are doing really well. I got my sister over here because she hasn't sat in this car since it was stock. So I was just like, let me just go wash this car because it's hella dirty, and I could just get a reaction from her. They had it closed, just cones in front. Yeah, the regular car washes usually cause a lot of chips and like damage to the paint. So I usually go to that touchless car wash, or I just wash it myself. But yeah, I'm not gonna go wash it right now. I'm not gonna wash it myself because I don't know, it's just getting a little too late, and I just want to go home, relax. And tomorrow I have another car meet to go to, and that one's gonna be huge. It's Cars and Coffee and Manteca. That's the one that's gonna be like a lot of cars, and I'm pretty excited about it. Alright, just heading over to the car meet in Modesto. It's the Cars and Coffee. It is gonna be huge. Not taking the Mustang, taking the Avalon, because as you guys know, the Mustang is kind of broken. Not really broken. The wastegate is like kind of a little sketchy, so I don't really want to take it that far. It's an hour away. It's an hour away to go there, an hour to come back, and that's a little too much, right, Billy? So he's really... You know you made it to a meet when there's like a car that's like abandoned. Oh my god. Alright. So yeah, we made it to Modesto. It was a hella long drive, hella traffic. But yeah, let's just see how this one goes, because already a lot of people walking around. So holy shit, Billy. I just made it to the car meet, but it seems like most of the people are gone. I just see a couple Mustangs right there. More cars on that side, but I'm pretty sure it's like a couple left. Look at this bus. Man, this Mustang clean though. That's the setup I want. Cheese. Same Mustang I have. Taking Z. Billy, where are you going to? Man, I wish I came earlier because I think it would be lit. But, you know, your boy is busy. Oh, GTR. Alright, older cars, clean. Yeah. Because I can, though. You guys hear the cam? Look at this UFO thing. Alright, everybody's rolling out now. The truck is big, but that's what she said. Man, Supra? Is that a Supra? Alright guys, the meet was really cool and all, but like I think I just came a little too late. By the time I came, it's like everybody's already gone. But yeah, I didn't see no Ecoboost. It would be really cool if I bought it. I really wanted to bring it, but bro, this car is still there. This guy's tired too. This guy walked a lot. Same Mustang I saw today. Pretty bad.
2 hours later.
Couple days have passed. I'm back at it again, and I'm just gonna go through. Shit's hella dirty. A lot of my friends are gonna be happy seeing this car finally washed. guys, it's the next morning. We're back at VHP because we need to do the same wastegate shit stuff fixed. So yeah, as I said, we need 2 turns of preloads on the wastegate. It's still not hitting peak boost, so more problems. Okay, so the heat shield is off, coolant is drained to get to that.
This collar, 2 more turns onto the threaded portion, making it shorter, which will put more tension on the wastegate and let you make that big power.
I'm gonna fire your charging port, Ted.
Looks good.
Perfect. Alright, just started it up and topped off the coolant. Coolant came out. But yeah, it's kind of fine now. And we're just gonna put the hood down and cook.